right. How nice to be back together. Feeling a little bit better, in the game here. Looking forward to doing this session together. Really excited after 2 short sessions to even just be back together, hanging out with y'all. Can't get enough of that. All right, where are we starting at? Carl just sent this over. And he's like, listen, I'm not gonna be there today. I would have asked this question then, but listen, have you been paying attention to this rising wedge? What do you think's going on with that? Right? So as we get started here, let's take a look at that. I mean, it's all I'm looking. This is why I actually went ahead and just tweeted this post over here for you. It's for everyone that's going to be here in the training session, right? I mean, I'm looking at the same chart as everyone else. I don't look at it on a log scale, and it looks like, I think Carl might be looking at it on a log scale. Correct me if I'm wrong, Carl, but you could see more of the rising wedge he's talking about on the log. I don't use the log. You all know that I glance at it here and there, but, obviously this is what keeps me the most, let's say, I don't know, this is how I do what I do, right? And it's not on the log. And here, what I'm looking at, though, the structure I'm seeing, we were watching this line over here at $60,000, $61,000, right? And then when we finally broke through it just over here a couple of days ago, we've since come in, retested it, and have resumed off. And when we made the higher high, that was also at this line of resistance that was the all-time high. And then we were on the breakout, and on the retest was the resistance we came into. So we're not just coming in and retesting that. It looks highly favorable. The price action that we're seeing is all very bullish. You could also see at the same time, let's say, boom, like as of right now, it also is holding this trend line over here with this broken resistance on the outside of the all-time high, coming in and testing it. A resumption off here, obviously that sends it. Do I see the rising wedge that you're looking at, Carl? I mean, I've been for a while trying to make that work, and it always reverts me back to Brad's channel that he drew out for us. This is what I think carries much more weight over here. You can see that we're right on time, rising off the last end of support. But if you look where the price, the red line showing price, it's showing the resistance from the last all-time high right now. So that's breakout, retest. You can see that light trend line we have over here, not the outer one, but the one right above it. Coming up, you have to be watching this visually, is also holding right here. So, that's what I'm focused in on. That's what's keeping me focused. And it all looks very bullish. In this morning's live stream, I guess if you're watching this on the replay later, that was, I don't even have a date over here, or know what date. Today's the 14th. The 14th of April. Watch this morning's live stream if you want to know about downside risk. We cover it very, very well.